Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Adri, and today we have some super exciting news. Merit has just recently launched some brand new lightweight lipsticks, and today we get to test them out along with some of their other beautiful products, so let's get started. So Merit has these creamy tinted cheek colors that they call Flush Bombs, and I'm super stoked to try a new color because these are amazing. This is the color Beverly Hills, and this is the original color that I wanted, but they were sold out at the time. This creamy, radiant blush blends so seamlessly into the skin. It deposits the perfect amount of pigment with just a few dabs. I prefer to blend it out with my fingers because I find that it blends really well when paired with the warmth from my fingertips. Compared to other cream blushes on the market, this one is unique because it's more of a balm texture and it's super lightweight but is still able to offer you lots of pigment. An added bonus is that they also contain vitamin E to help nourish your skin. So next up is highlight, and you guys, last time this was also sold out, so I am super excited to use this one as well. Merit's highlight is called Day Glow, and I was able to snag the color Kava, which is a champagne color. I have extremely high hopes for this, you guys. I'm praying that this is beautiful because I've been so excited for it, so let's try it. This balm has a translucent sheen with absolutely no sparkle, so you can really get that lit from within glow. This highlight contains squalane to deeply hydrate and condition your skin, and a phytosterol amino acid blend to really lock in moisture and help with the skin barrier. It also has the antioxidant vitamin E to protect your skin from free radicals that can cause skin damage. You guys, that's a lot of skincare for a highlight. Never have I ever seen such a thing. Like, I just want to put this all over my face and my body. You guys, I love this product. Okay, so far, I could see myself wearing both of these products literally every day. Like, I love them. Oof. Wow. I mean, look, I love a natural highlight look, especially like a wet, dewy look. Next up, we have Merit's brow gel called Brow 1980. This tinted brow gel uses kaolin clay and mineral pigments to add color to your brows, but it also uses vitamin B5 to make sure that your brows are full and fluffy. This product is able to provide a flexible hold with the help of synthetic beeswax, so you can really keep that neat and clean brow look. I love this tiny tapered brush. That way I can really get into the thinner areas without the risk of transfer. As you can see, this product provides a very natural difference in my brows. If you follow me, you must know that this is my all-time favorite mascara. I use it every single day of my life. It is amazing. You guys have to try this mascara. Clean Lash uses a tubing technology that helps to lift, separate, and curl your lashes without clumping or smudging. To lengthen your lashes, rice bran wax is used. As an added bonus, this mascara will condition your lashes using fatty acids and olive oil esters. This mascara comes off super easily. After I cleanse my face, I don't have that like raccoon look where I have a bunch of leftover mascara. It's amazing. If you look really closely, you can see that there are no clumps. It coated each individual lash separately because it's a tubing mascara. It is so nice. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for. First of all, can we get an applause for this packaging? Like, these are gorge. Are you joking? They kind of sit like this. They have the Merit emblem on the top. They have this really the outer packaging is like a square. Oh my God, go, come on. And I have always loved the Merit packaging. It is always aesthetically pleasing. That's just a plus, right? Just a plus. We'll see how they perform. So these are marketed as a hydrating buildable lipstick with a soft satin finish. That is speaking my language. Let's try these puppies out. I was gifted two different shades. I was gifted Millennial and L'Avenue. I really like the shape because it's really flat, which is really nice. Millennial is a classic pink, while L'Avenue is a berry brown. They launched 8 shades in total. It too has squalane for a deep nourish. It has papain enzyme to help soothe lips. To help with fine lines on the lips, stabilized vitamin C is infused into this lippy. The natural scent comes from raspberry oil, which also adds a bit of moisture to the formula. You guys. Okay. Yes. Right? Is this my new favorite lipstick? I think so. Okay, feels super silky, super smooth. The color, love. It's very close to my personal lip color, which I'm here for. Very natural, minimalistic look, but it still looks like you put a little bit of effort in. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh my God. Wow. I also want to mention like the shape. The shape, yes, we're here for the shape. The Avenue is more like, definitely more like deep berry tone. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more pink. It's very deep. Definitely not my normal go-to, but we shall try it. Oh. Wow. Okay. This one is Le Avenue, and this is definitely not my cup of tea usually, but it looks really nice, right? It looks like I like put myself together really well this morning, which it did, but it didn't take me that much time. I look like I mean business, don't you think? Like, where's my coffee, Jerry? No, I'm just kidding. I do look really well put together. Wow. I actually really like it. I didn't think I was gonna like this color, but I'm here for it. Obviously, it's the same formula. Feels really, really moisturizing and nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So last but not least, we have Shade Slick, which is a tinted lip oil. I got the color Bel Air, even though it is like clear, pretty clear, right? I have the other shade in Pink Beet, but I wanted to try just something really, really natural. Again, another very beautiful, aesthetically pleasing packaging. Like, are you joking? So gorge. You guys, this lip oil has rosehip oil, shea butter, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, omegas 3, 6, and 9 to keep your lips seriously moisturized and soft. This feels so, so good. Thank you guys so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I truly appreciate you, and I'll see you guys next time.